For Write 3.1, this is again going to be similar to what we did back in Apply and Extend, where you want to start by downloading and extracting the Write 3 zip file. It's going to contain just your HTML file, so you want to extract that, put it back in on your folder on your desktop. I'll show you what it's going to look like initially. So it has some basic layout on here. So it probably has your sidebar, has a header, nav, has a couple things on there that we have to go back and modify. So this is what you're starting with. So when you're all done, back in Dreamweaver, this is what it's going to look like. So when you're showing me your video, you want to show me your files here. One note here, after you download this and you start working on this, when you get to step number 4, please make sure you're checking on page 189 for the table that contains all your CSS. These tables look the same pretty much from project to project in chapter 3. So make sure you're applying the right CSS to the correct or to the appropriate project that you're working on. So make sure you're not applying the CSS for write to apply. So just a heads up, please just double check that. This is what it should look like when you're done. Now, before you preview in browser for me, I want to see your inline styles that we did for this. So again, we don't have a separate CSS file. We did them inline. So I want you to go back to your code view within this, scroll back up to the very top. So this is where you're going to have your CSS styles for container, footer, header, and sidebar, and then your content areas. So you want to sort of scroll down through this area so I can read this stuff. Okay, and then once you're done, back to the design view, and you can preview in browser. And again, full screen so I can see your title on here. I can see everything else. Scroll down to the very bottom. Should be pretty easy to go back and complete.